Hello and welcome back to HFM.Parts Workshop. Are you ready to get down and dirty with another killer vid from HFM? Okay, then let's go. Today we're going to be fitting up our new 354mm front rotors using our wonderful custom adapter brackets. Did I say custom? You bet your brackets I did. To get started, we need to crimp the brake line and remove the hard line only. Then remove the caliper and your old rotor. Yes, get rid of that rusty old rotor and make room for the new and shiny. The new HFM rotor is larger than an OEM, so we'll need to bend that backing plate out of the way. You can use pliers or a hammer and a dolly. Thor ain't got nothing on this guy. Clean the hub face with some sandpaper and a wire brush to give the rotor a nice clean surface. Before we get too touchy-feely with installing the rotor, we need to fit up the custom adapters. Test fit the adapter and linisher portion of the knuckle using a die grinder until you can see clearly through the bolt hole. This spot here is where we'll need to linish. Once the bolt hole is no longer obstructed, we can apply thread sealant to the two OEM bolts and finish installing the adapter. Use the torque settings below to make sure they're nice and tight without stripping the threads. Because trust me, if you know what I know, you want to keep everything covered. Lubricate the hub ring to make future changes easier, and then you can slip on your new rotor. Ensure there's enough clearance for the rotor, then using the bolt kit supplied, we can reinstall the caliper. To finish up, put in the new HFM.Parts braided brake line and then bleed your brakes. This front kit matches our 340mm rear rotor kit, giving GTR owners a complete rotor upgrade.